What's going on, guys? So today, hopefully we're going to be taking off the lip kit from Braedans SS. What do you got there, Braden?
Don't make me lose. Oh.
Counting change, eh? So I'm making him get rid of all the change I have in the VE because I just hate carrying change, so I just chuck it all in the car. And I think there's like, what, $9 there almost?
Yes.
$8.50.
8 something.
You don't know, do you? Yeah, but anyway, guys, we're going to get some slushies and donuts at the moment. And then, yeah, we're going to go take off the lip kit, fog lights. I'm going to roll my dad's guards on his wagon. Yeah.
I was cursing and sagging, living a dream. I rock the show in pajamas. Cause I don't give a fuck, never will. That's just Kansas City grammar. You can get in touch with the hammer. I'm that flower that blossoms from the concrete.
What's going on, guys? So today we're going to be doing some shit on the VS again, hopefully, if the weather holds off. So we need to move it forward to do like the engine crane and stuff. We have to get it up here pretty much, but we're not going to do that right now. We're just going to move it up onto the concrete. So we've got 2 toe straps set up. And we're going to give that a go. Try pulling it forward. It's on a bit of a bitch because it's downhill, but it's also got this part. The back wheel drops in there and then it just doesn't want to move. So that's going to be fun. Fuck yeah, we're set. Got it hooked on down here on the toe wall and then up here in the VS. Oh, it's hooked onto the front of the cross member, the toe points. Alright, gotta take it out of gear. Yeah, it's not gonna roll how it is, but this handbrake doesn't even work. So it's currently not even gonna do anything. Okay.
Just give it the fucking VR with the handbrake on.
Alright, let's give this a go. Well, that failed, kind of fell, but they snapped. But we got it up here. It's up here pretty far too. I think that's where it was sitting when it first blew up. How sad. You know it's been sitting for a while when you can see all the dead grass underneath it. But yeah, VE done well. Rest in peace to all the straps. I should probably clarify, when I say doing shit on the VS, I mean we're going to my dad's house and stealing the lip kit and SS parts off his old VS SS that you guys would have seen in the VL video. It's no longer his, it's getting sold, blah blah blah. But I'm allowed to take some parts off it, so I'm going to take the lip kit, fog lights, roof lining. A lot of you guys will be happy about that one. Yeah, rear garnish, bunch of other little interior stuff, and rear strut braces that I've been looking for a long time too, so that's good. But yeah, we're going over there to basically strip this SS a bit. Cheers, big fella. Get that bush out my way. So we're here. That's the SS we're stripping. Ooh, little VL I see. Fat. Whoops. Baby. Hello. Anyways, so this is the SS. This is the lip kit we're taking. Probably this rear garnish. These rear strut braces here. I think they're sick. Yeah, mad wheel.
Roof lining.
And yeah, the roof lining. Finally. It's got fully sick flames in it. Yeah, that's mad. And then the fog light bezels. And fog lights. That'll be fun to set up. Fat trans cooler. You. Fuck yeah. Well, that was a cunt. It's all rusted. Had to get like underneath the car as well. There we go. Give this a good spray. Don't know what colour, but mint. Now I gotta get the other side behind the wheel. Fuck yeah. There we go. Both sides out. Got some extra protection for my booty. Always makes me happy. What's going on, mate?
Look how many fucking screws there are for it.
What?
For the lip kit. All around here.
It's fun. It's all part of the fun. Just shh. Turn, son, turn.
Is that all the way?
Yeah, full lock. Here we go. The process begins, people. I'm so keen to get that on. We've got like 9 screws off so far. Just so you guys know, it is so cold right now. I think my fingers are numb. Yeah, the wind is what's making it cold. With no wind, it's fine. I'm gonna have to give it a big touch up here. Someone's scraped a gutter or something. In front of the lip kit. That honestly changes the whole look of the car so much. Oh, I'm so keen. Probably gonna scrape more now. That's good. Kind of bummed out that it has the toe ball cut out, but I'm just gonna leave it there, and I'm gonna make like a drift toy. That'll be good. Maybe make it into merch. Have like a Gearheads drift toy thing. This one's a bit of a cunt. It's just like threading the screw part, so multi grips will do.
Maybe.
Maybe.
They're working.
It's getting there. Come on. Final triumph. Yes! What can the screw do? Sit in the VL. It's in timeout, is it? Oh, fucking hell. Alright, so I've got the sides starting to come off. Like, it's just a prick to get off because Sikaflex is behind it, and I feel like when I'm pulling on it, it feels like it's just going to snap. Yeah, working on the front as well. Braedans working on the rear lip. It looks like we're going to have to take the bumper off because the screws on this side are like behind the fuel tank, so it's a bit of a bitch to get to. There we go. Alright, so it's off. Always looks like such a skid car with no rear bumpers. But yeah, work at getting it off a lot easier now. All these screws along here. And see, when it was in the car, the fuel tank is like right here. So you can barely fit a bloody...
spare tyre.
Oh yeah, sorry, not the fuel tank. This like well, you get on the other side, it's going to be the fuel tank anyway. But yeah, ugly exhaust, bro. Fuck. Yeah, bro. Ovals are so sick. And that's that. Just gonna keep it in like one piece together. This rear section. I am gonna try and find a new, probably. I don't know. See how it looks with the toe ball and I don't know, something hanging from the toe ball. Like I said, I might come up with a... Yeah, I'll hang a nut sack from it. Come up with like a skull with a gear coming out of it, like a gear head, you know? I don't know. who knows, we'll see. Abort mission, just realised it'll be easier to take it apart because we're putting it like in the back seat of that. So the front's going to be fun to manoeuvre, probably go like into the boot through the back seat. We'll figure it out. I've transported a whole Club Sport body kit for a VS in a little Ford Festiva, so I think that should be alright. While we're hanging around down here, give you guys a little update on the VL, because I know a bunch of you are very keen on it. I am very keen on it myself. Probably going to respray it canary yellow, black on the bottom garnish part, because that was like the most requested comment on the video. But as it stands this week, I am hopefully getting a manual gearbox, clutch and slave cylinder, I think. And then yeah, I've just got to, I want to sort the VS mostly first, and then I'll start to look at getting stuff for this, but it's coming, it's not going anywhere. I'm not going to sell it like I did with the Ute. I don't care how much money I get offered. I've always wanted a VL. This one's staying until I at least skid it and like blow the motor once. Okay, easily the worst part about doing this is these fucking side skirts. All the Sikaflex holding them on. Oh, that was such a mission. This other side, I can't even get it off. It's starting to look weird without the lip kit. Holy shit. Finally off. That was such a bitch. Now on this side. Yeah, you've really got to bend them to get at it, alright. Fucking hell, mate. Go Braden. He's got the technique now. Look at him go. Panel beater. I reckon if I just stand here and watch him long enough, he'll get it all off. And I'll feel good about it. Yeah, you should have the credit. Oh man, this has been fun. Had some chips and gravy rolls. It's good shit right here. And we deliver for Tip Top, so they're rolls for Kingsley's. Kingsley's and KFC and Red Rooster, we deliver all their bread rolls. Keep them, take them home. Yeah, boy. Fucking smashing it. Yeah, so this VRSS, this car was bought for $1,000. My dad bought it to put the engine and gearbox and that into the HQ Ute he has. And then Braden was getting the shell, and then it changed. He was going to get a different engine. He was going to keep the whole car. Now it's changed again. He's going to keep the engine and gearbox, and then he's selling the shell, and Braden doesn't get to keep it. So Braden's just going to go buy one anyway, and we're going to make it fully fucking mental. And yeah, just getting all the good shit off this one before the shell gets sold. Probably to Angus, the little fuck, collecting all the VS's. He already picked up one VS from here a couple weeks ago. What a legend. Get at it, son! Oh! 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 That's everything! That's all of it. We've got the rear bar, side skirt, other side skirt on the other side, and front one. Fuck yeah, now all we need is the fog light bezels, but fuck them, I'm not doing that today. No, I don't want to take that front bumper off. I don't. So do that another time. Yeah, now fucking jigsaw all this shit into the VE. Yeah, good old 5 litre thong slapper.
I'll just put the bumper back on too.
Yeah, well it's already half on. Oh yeah, I'm gonna take this while we're here actually as well. So I'm gonna do that now, and that's that. Oh yeah, it'll unclip from the. Just push that grommet through.
What bit?
That part you're putting the screwdriver under. Yep, and then pull. Nice. There we go. That's what we want. So now we have a mint white garnish that actually has all the fucking See that other one, my Club Sport one, it's missing, I think, that one. And then the other plain white one only has these two, and that's it. The other side ones are snapped. So this one should be good. Fuck yeah, I think we're gonna load up, get it all in the VE. You left the door open.
What?
You left the fucking door open.
Who cares?
Battery cares. We're losing daylight. Good thing we finished it all. Oh man, this looks so weird without a lip kit on it, bro. Does look cool with the fog light still though. Anyway guys, that's all for today. It's getting dark. We got everything we needed today besides those fog lights. I'm just not bothered. Are you bothered? Nah. No. So anyways, you will see a video of that going on the VS soon. I'm probably going to paint it all, I think, before it all goes on, because it's got a bunch of blemishes and it's like probably mismatched in colour and stuff. But yeah. VL coming. Anyway guys, drop some comments down below. Let me know any more videos you want to see, any ideas, anything like that. Go like the Facebook page, Instagram, add me on Snapchat, all in the description below. Subscribe for more, and I'll catch you in the next video. Time to go home. Get in. Get in, bro. I don't think you're going to last on this driveway. Fake Nation! You're a faggot.
Fuck you.
Bye bye. Bye VL. I'll miss you. You're a fucking dickhead.